While most smartphones out right now tends to stick to the same looking design and build, Vivo has decided to push the boundaries of creating a future-proof device with the Vivo Nex 3, and here's 5 reasons why. Now the first reason would be for what comes inside of the box. While other smartphone manufacturers tends to give you less inside of the box, Vivo has decided to go the extra mile of providing all the essentials like the Vivo earphones, because yes, it comes with a headphones jack, a 22.5 watt charger, and of course the USB-A to USB-C cable, and also a beautiful and premium looking hard plastic case. And the box itself looks amazing and gives you that high-end experience during the unboxing with the attention to detail compared to what is typically available in other smartphones as well. Next would be its amazing display. Now the Vivo Nex 3 comes with a 6.89-inch waterfall full view display which uses this Super AMOLED technology, and the moment I turn on the phone, it is now hands down the best looking smartphone screen that I have ever seen. And yes, as the name suggests, the screen literally flows to the side, creating a waterfall effect. And during my test, there were no accidental touching issues, and from watching YouTube to binging on my favorite shows on Netflix, there was never a moment where I felt like I had any eye fatigue. And it makes me just want to stare at the screen for a really long time. And also worth mentioning is that the phone comes with the fastest in-display fingerprint sensor that I've ever tested. Check it out. Now as for the third reason would be the touch sense feature. Now Vivo has gone the extra mile to include the haptic power and volume buttons at the side by getting rid of the typical physical button on the phone. While you can't see the buttons on the right, Vivo Nex 3 gives you a visual representation on where exactly you should press to go to adjust the volume rockers. So here's where it clearly shows how Vivo is stepping up their design game by going buttonless to make the phone future-proof indeed. And yes, you can do your regular screenshot as usual by pressing your volume rocker and also the power button, and also taking photos using the volume buttons as usual. Smile. Next would surely be the amazing future-proof camera specs. Now the Vivo Nex 3 comes with 3 cameras. One is a massive 64MP f1.8 aperture main lens, a 13MP f2.2 aperture ultra-wide, and the same lens is also capable of being a macro lens as well, which is super unique, and a 13MP f2.48 aperture telephoto lens. And yes, the pictures on the phone as predicted is amazing with the amount of details that you get with the 64MP mode, as you guys can see. And since there is a dedicated telephoto and ultra wide angle lens, you can always switch between the different focal length within the camera app, since the lenses are dedicated towards the different focal length that you choose. And yes, the 16MP f2.09 aperture lens in front is also great, especially with the portrait mode shots. And last but not least is the phone's performance. Now the phone comes with the latest and greatest Snapdragon 855 Plus chipset with the Adreno 640 GPU. It is also equipped with 8GB of RAM with 256GB of storage, which also uses the super fast UFS 3.0 flash storage, and is coupled with the new and improved FunTouch 9.1 skin. And the phone was perfect in every situations, from multitasking and overall navigation, and playing games for a long period of time did not only feel satisfying because of its amazing screen, but there were no heating issues while playing games for a really long time. Alright guys, that's my top 5 reasons why the Vivo Nex 3 is indeed a future-proof phone, and once the official price is announced tomorrow, I'll update you guys at the description below. Aside from that, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give this video a nice big thumbs up. Like, share and subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you haven't done so. Don't forget to hit the bell icon just next to it to get notified for my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. This is Adam Lobo, and I'll catch you guys next.